Hi, you 12s, and welcome back. We're going to start area of study 1 of Unit 4 today. So antigen detection and pathogens. Okay, so this is the intro. What is inside your body? Is that you or is it not you? The food we eat, is it yourself or is it non-self? Does it change at any point? A eukaryotic body identifies itself using signaling markers on each of its cells. And that's how we know whether we're self or non-self. So what's self? It refers to cells and molecules that make up your own body. Okay, so we call those MHC markers. All right, as you can MHC over here. All right, and we have non-self markers, which is anything else that is a marker from any other organism or thing coming inside you, some sort of microbe or anything. We call that non-self. Okay, and we also refer to those as antigens. So the example here is the donated organ. Yes, it is from a human, but it's still from someone else. So it's going to have different ones of these MHC markers. Okay, so your white blood cells are going to be happy if it's your cell, and then it has its own MHC1 markers. But if it's something else, like a donated organ or a bacterium from outside, it's not going to be very happy, and the immune response is going to occur. Again, this is your antigen. It's a signaling molecule on the outside of some sort of invading microorganism, which we call a pathogen. Okay, and thus the immune system uses antigens to recognize if a cell or molecule that is found within the body is self or non-self. If it is identified as having a non-self antigen, an immune response will be started, as I said. So the self antigens, we call them MHC1. It stands for Major Histocompatibility Complex 1. Okay, and it's found in all of your cells that have a nucleus. So not your red blood cells, unfortunately. But they don't get destroyed for other reasons. And these self markers are located on the surface of your cells, and they mark the cells of an organism as self so that your immune system doesn't destroy it. Whereas non-self antigens are found on other things. Okay, so it could be any pathogen, so a bacterium, all right, or a viral particle or something like that. And that's what is recognized by your white blood cells, also known as leukocytes there. Okay, so the immune system tries to eliminate these by doing different things. MHC proteins differ between individuals, which can cause transplant rejection and stuff like that. Okay. Cool. So here's your examples of some antigens that are found in red blood cells. All right. So boom, boom, boom. They're all different depending on the person. That brings us to what tries to invade, the invading microorganism. All right. So pathogen is an agent, either cellular or non-cellular, that is capable of causing disease. Again, I like to say invading microorganism, but again, sometimes it's not an organism. If it's non-cellular, it's just a molecule or something. All right, or a dead thing trying to get inside you. So the cellular pathogens obviously are made up of cells and are living, whereas non-cellular pathogens do not have a cellular structure and are non-living. So it's crazy how they try to invade your body even though they're non-living. They're not even alive.